What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Another vlog. How y'all doing today? I got dressed, so we're just hanging out today, right? We're hanging out this dog. So, guys, I'm doing great. I'm sorry about King's Island. The video failed to upload. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. So, guys, I got a hat. Like right here, this one is a white hat to match to the shirt. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, right now I'm gonna get ready to go to see Frank today. About 11 o'clock a.m. with him today as well. Gonna make an afternoon vlog as well. Guys, guess what? My mom did. We did. We just replied for monetize as well. Guess what? I can't wait to making money on YouTube, guys. I can't wait with this, guys. It'll be awesome. I think I am to get my thinking thoughts for what's gonna happen. We get agree. Monetize will be agree. Money time. Oh yeah. Let me making money on YouTube. I can't wait for that, man. Stay tuned for that. We are having pancake sausage and oysters this morning. I'm gonna eat today. Right, I'm alright. Really, want to say hi? Yeah, we'll do that. Really? Hey, Rudy. Aw. I think you give us some kisses today. This morning. Good boy. It's all. It's gonna teach you that. Yeah. Yeah. It's all licking. Here, please. Yeah, he could get a sausage. Oh, yeah, he got it from a vet. You can get him a shot, or you get needle or shots. Yeah, anytime you can give him a shot. Yeah. So guys, I'm doing great. I see you guys outside. Prank call today. I hope it will be sunny today. Yeah, it will be today. It will. Yes. Definitely be exciting. Right. Right now, I'm excited right now. I would be sunny, clear skies all day. This I like. The best weather ever. I think it will be. Let's hear what weather says. What is the weather today?
It's not looking good today. Down to 17 degrees.
I say that. That's cold weather. That's really cold today. That was really cold outside today, guys. You guys heard that? Very cold. Well, now it's below 7. Right now, it is cloudy right now. The chance of rain 20%. Yep. It's low 17 degrees outside. That dang cold outside, guys. I think it's today. Oh yeah. We'll be sunny today, guys. It's not gonna clear sky. It's clear. It will be sunny in clouds. Perfect. We might make a vlog at 12 o'clock. I will be a Frank. Perfect, guys. Today it will be sunny today as well. It'll be awesome. Hey guys, I'm thinking I'm getting a new playlist for GoPro Halo 7 slow motion playlist. Guys, that would be cool. What? That'd be awesome. But slow motion? Oh, dude, that would be awesome. That would be sick. Sorry about that, I'm saying. Stay tuned for that for the hero section for slow motion as well. Just that would be awesome. But like, about the pool is slow motion. Like, nobody. Going out of water in slow motion. Oh, dude, that would be awesome. Guys, I didn't know. Where's my hair section in this, guys? Who is it? Hey, I think it's here. I think it's here somewhere. GoPro, where you at, buddy? Oh no! That's my little cube. Really? Let's see, my cube is? Hey, there it is. Hey, look, there it is, guys. There's a cube right here. Please stay tuned for this camera. Only the slow motion on there. I didn't know that. I didn't know I had this in slow motion. Please stay tuned for that for a playlist for this. I'll do what now, guys? But after you eat, I'm gonna do that. When you slow motion in water, slow motion. Oh god, it would be amazing. You guys would love it. Like me, like talking. Whoa. Yeah. It's okay. Well, I'm not gonna talk, but I do slow motion videos. That'd be amazing. But it's like down here, the underwater. It's like I'm not in a video. Right here, it's like guys. No, I'll stay here. But the summer, guys, I see guys on the water guys, I go on the water to get home. Let's do it. Let's go home on the water. Let's go. But that, turn them off. Then I'm home. I'm home on the water. That would be awesome magic. That would be cool. Absolutely be awesome. I say it'd be really cool. Right. They edit it. Oh, dude, it would be awesome, guys. Stay tuned for that. I think I'm only gonna watch my GoPros unboxing videos today. Because I am interested in my GoPros. GoPro's awesome camera ever. I like GoPro Hero 2018. Let's check it out right now. This camera is awesome. I love that camera so much. This camera's awesome. This is really cool. Hero section, check out a really cool camera. Little cube. I love that camera. I had that camera years. I have. A long time. Just, yeah. Just, yeah, we're at the beach. I got my brother Steven. He got me, the hair section at Northmore Beach, but he bought me the new one. That's awesome. And then more than later on, I think you can get a new camera like GoPro Hero 2018. But I got right now in my hand. That camera's awesome. I have a touchscreen with that in the back. Hold on, let's see it side by side. Oh yeah, that was awesome. I love a touchscreen in the back. Like just something mods on there, like the stabilizer, stabilize a video. low light, everything awesome. I love the GoPro. So it was really cool. Guys, please stay tuned. I go get Hero 7 Black by GoPro Hero 7. That is the newest GoPro I want to get in my life. Hero 7 Black. I will. Stay tuned for that later on. I might do that. That'd be cool. Yeah. That'd be awesome. Something in my eye. Yeah, that'd be cool. Stay tuned. And the Hero 6 Black. Hero 6 got pretty. It's beautiful. That's right. I watched YouTube about it. Hero 6 a lot better. A lot beautiful on that video. Hero 7 a lot beautiful too as well. A lot beautiful. Good quality. I might get that. But I didn't know get it for Christmas, but I don't know yet. I don't wait a bit. And I want to get it for Christmas as well. I think I got a special part now is stabilizer grip. Yeah, stabilizer grip thing. I think it's got a special as well. Maybe I should not get it yet. Not for Christmas yet. I don't know yet. I think it'll be a part of it Christmas gift as well. Yeah. Let's see, guys. Let's see. If I making money on YouTube, I'll buy all the GoPro, Hero 7, Hero 6, and like a camera grip as well. Please stay tuned for that later. Oh, guys, I should sign off here. Have to get ready. Oh yeah, guys. My plan today. We go to sleep plan today. We are going bowling today. We go bowling alley today. I'll go bowling today. My friends will be, all my friends who will be there. That'd be awesome. We used to be taking us there inside the bowling alley before. Yes, we have. Remember that? Me and Tyler? Right. If Tyler will be back as well, but we will bring you guys there as well. We love you guys. We love you guys to having here with us at a bowling alley. That's awesome. Thank you guys. I appreciate it for you guys. All my subscribers, everything in my life. YouTube is my life, my job of life I want to get. My job is YouTube. Looks like, let's see what job. Looks like, I need to get a job. Like, we were. I was back in the day in high school. I was working at a Sunshine cafe. I was my work. I don't like it anymore. I don't like it. I found another job. Then I got YouTube. Then I got started on YouTube. Is a lot better than the Sunshine cafe. Right. A lot better than that. YouTube is better than the Sunshine. It is. It's okay. Some people do. Some people do switch jobs sometimes. Right. YouTube is a lot much better than YouTube do. Like YouTube creators working a lot on YouTube is better than YouTube creators don't work as we were. Like these dishes at a fixes like cleaning tables like that at like a Sunshine like that. No, I'm not in about that. No, I'm not. YouTube is much better. I like my job. It's awesome. I like YouTube. I love the GoPro a lot. I'm interested in that stuff with that's awesome. Okay, guys, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell. Hold on. Sorry about that. I got stuck right here. Sorry about that. Alright, guys, so click on the bell for notification. Notification down below as well. Do it right now. Subscribe. The red button right now. Do it right now, guys. That's on you. Do it. Do it. If you do it now, subscribe. Please subscribe for more. Right. Do it now. Right now. Subscribe to my red button. My red button for subscribe. Do it. Guys, you got it? Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribe. Right there. It's awesome. Thank you for supporting me on YouTube. Alright, guys. That's that. I will talk later. Yeah. Frank. Love it, guys. Subscribe, guys. Love you guys. Bye.